Dear students, in this video we will discuss HTML. Let us discuss HTML. So first, how can we create a code in HTML and where we will write down the coding of HTML and how we will see the output of HTML. So let's start. This document contain only text. This is your client side scripting language. It used to create a static web page. Web browser reads and display document that contains HTML. So let's start the practical of HTML. This is your notepad window. This is your editor. So students, first this one is very important. HTML is not having any particular software to write down and display the output of the coding. So this one software need a editor. So this one is your notepad editor, and then after that, when we want to see the output of our coding, then we need to use the browser. Any browser you can take, like Window Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera, and so many browsers are there to see the output of HTML. So first we will work with the editor. So next task, to write down the coding. So before starting the coding, all of you have seen this one. This one is your angular bracket and this one is your apostrophe sign, and first we will mention the document HTML. It means we need to mention the document type. This one is mandatory option to write down the document type. So which one type of HTML you need to use, then you can. And then after that you will write down the HTML 4.01. This one is your document type. And next we will write down the next line by using the angular bracket. So see, we have closed mandatory angular bracket to write down the version of HTML, and then after that you can remove it from your HTML document. Okay. Next student, this one editor is very comfortable and very easy to write down the coding of HTML. This line is important somewhere and somewhere not. And next, all of you understand these angular bracket story, because whatever you will use and whatever content you will write down in between both of these angular brackets, then this one is your pre-designed and predefined. This one is your code, and next line is your HTML. This one line is initial line. Without this line we can't start the HTML coding. And next we need to close it. To close it we need, and we write forward slash. Without forward slash we can't close the HTML tag. So both of these tags are initial and important to start the HTML coding. Next, in between both of these tags, the next tag. So next tag is your head tag. This one tag is used to mention and indicate the HTML coding. This one is your head section. Head section, it means this one content will show on your title bar. Okay students, so next we will write down head tag. Same as usual, just like a HTML. Use your angular bracket to write down the head tag. After opening it, we need to close it. So use your forward slash again to close the head tag. In between of the head tag, we need to write down the title tag. So this one tag is used to mention and give the name of the document. As usual, whatever application you are using, and you will mention the name of the document. Same as this one section is used to the name of the document. So head section, HTML head, body, title, these one are the basic tags. and these one are the important tags. So without these one tags we can't start the coding of HTML. Done? So all of you understand these one are your basic tags, and then after that we need to use the title tag in between of the head tag. So first, as usual, we need to write down the title in between of the angular brackets. So use it, and then after that we need to write down the name of the file name is my web page. At last we need to close the tag by using the forward slash. Now we will see the output. This one line will show on the title bar because this is the name of the document, and then after that we will use body tag. Body tag content will show on the document area. This is your as usual output. So we will write down the body tag as well as we will close it by using the forward slash. In the body tag, content will show on the document area. Whatever type of content you want to see as a output on your web page, that you will write down in your body tag. It defines the main element of web page, that is display on the screen. The entire body content is placed between the body and slash body tag. The content of body tag enclosed in other tags to show different features, as well as add tags to format tags. Next, H1. H1, these one are your heading tags. This one is shown in H1 to H6. H1 is your largest heading and H6 is your smallest heading. So this one is also a container tag H1, and close it by forward slash and write down the content, the fish web site, whatever content you can write in between of the starting or ending tag. So this one is your heading. Next we will take a paragraph tag. Paragraph tag written in a format of P. Don't write down the whole paragraph spelling and word, only one and only and single P, and close it by using the forward slash. Write down the content in between of the paragraph tag and your content will show as a paragraph. So now we will write down the content. Welcome to the fish website. Everything you want to know about fish is in the website. And now your line is complete. This one is our paragraph, and this one paragraph will show on the web page. Next, this one is your heading tag, and we will write down again and make a heading H2. H1 is the largest and decrease 1 point in H2. This one is your next heading, and write down the content as usual, whatever, as well as you can close this tag by using the forward slash. Those one tags close, these one tags are known as container tag. Those one tags are not having a ending tag, these one tags are known as empty tag. Same as now see, this one is our paragraph. Next paragraph, so write down the content in your paragraph. This one will show as a paragraph on your web page. And next we will and save your file for the future use. Write down the name of your file with the extension of .html and click on save, and then after that close it. See, this one file is shown on your desktop as in a Internet Explorer, and then after that see the output on your web browser. This is your output, the fish website and all these. See, okay, so first is your heading, this one is your paragraph, and third line is also your heading, and fourth line as your paragraph. So it's clear to students. Now see the output. Your output will show on your web browser. you will save your file with the extension of .htm or .html. Without saving this extension, you can't open your file in your web browser, because this one icon will not show. So remind this point: extension .html and .htm. So I think this one thing is clear: how can we work in HTML and how can we see the output web browser. So you can see the output on different web browsers. So these one are your output, your web page, by using different tags. So all these things are clear. And this one is your title tag content. So all the best, students, and keep it up.